Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog here. So for today's video, we got ourselves overnight parts from Japan. We have an exciting news for you. I'm not gonna spoil it, but it's aerodynamics and also HKS stuff. You know what it is. And for today, I have enough time because my friend Ian is behind the camera. Is gonna help me install this one. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Then knife. Wait. So I borrowed my friend's key. This should work. And let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! So we got ourselves a CUSCO gas pedal. So we are gonna install this with my friend's help, Ian. Hopefully it goes smooth. And this is the same part number for ZN6. And I think ZD and ZD8 and 6 are the same, like BRZ. But I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. So I just know that first gen and second gen GR86 is the same. It will fit. So let's go ahead and dive into the install. Okay guys, out of curiosity, we're gonna weigh this gas pedal. See how much are we gonna gain if we install this. So we are in kilogram. Let's see. Let's put it in pounds, right? It's 00. Okay. Let's see how many pounds you lose. You said what? 50 pounds? It's not even
50 grams.
50 grams?
That's my guess.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what is this in grams? Let's see. That's grams, right? No, you lose. 140. Way heavy. Okay. Way heavy. Too heavy. We should not install this. Okay, let's get into it. So my friend Ian recommend that we should measure the nut first before we get into it. It's easier for us to grab it while we're here. So yeah, no. This is what we have. So tiny. I think it's like four or five, right?
Yeah,
I think so.
you can try.
Okay, I'm gonna rip this up. We don't need to read the manual. I got the expert in the back of the cam. He knows what's up. And I think you're right. Where is it? Where did you put it? It's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I think he's right. I think it's 5.5. I think. So this is 7. Oh, 7 fits like flush.
Could be 7 then.
Okay. Let's try this. And that's 5.5. The other one is 6. And then you said we need Allen, right?
Yeah.
So Allen should be like, my guess is like 3 or 2. Let's see. Okay guys, we measure it and you need the 2.5 hex or Allen key. So let me show you here that it fits perfectly. So Allen key and 7 mil. Okay. So for the sake of the video, we're gonna show you what the manual says. Of course, it's in Japanese. That's why I have my friend here. He's a professional Japanese guy. Okay. Okay. So basically, it says you have to have a clean gas pedal because we're gonna put some like double-sided tape kind of thing,
Yeah.
right?
So there's this rubber layer that we're going to stick on the pedal,
Okay.
and then this will go on top of it. And there's
Like kind of like a bracket that holds it down, right?
yeah, there's some
Top and
bracket
bottom.
that goes in the back here.
Okay. So now we have a wet rag we are gonna wipe down this gas pedal. Hopefully you're getting a good view. If not, you get the idea. Wipe it very good, from top to bottom, left to right. Now once it's clean, you wanna dry it up as well. Now after that, we're gonna clean it with alcohol solution as well. Okay guys, we wipe this down with alcohol solution as well. We don't show that process because it's pretty straightforward. Now we are back with this kind of like rubber piece that goes in between of your gas pedal, and this goes on top like that. So we're gonna stick this. Hopefully it holds up. If not, the brackets will definitely hold them down. So it's kind of like a tight spot here. I hope you're getting a good view. If not, like I said earlier, you got the idea. Just make sure that you stick it even like that. That way it's nice and firm. Okay, give it a little pressure here. Oh, I see what you mean. I'm gonna be upside down, Ian, because I don't want to do this again. I see. This is what you mean, hey? Upside down. Give it a good press so it doesn't move at all. Okay. So now you need to pre-assemble your gas pedal. What we do is we just like kind of like hand torque it and didn't go to the white stuff that's inside of the nut, so to keep it hanging like that. And we are also gonna do the same on the bottom. Is it gonna be like that or like this or like this?
It's going to
Like
be
this, right? This, right?
yeah.
It's gonna be like this, but on this one we're only gonna put one on the right side towards to the passenger side, and that way we can still play around it and it's not gonna take a lot of time for us to install. So I think it's like 4-3 turns should be good. Now moment of truth, we are gonna install this.
Here you go.
Okay, moment of truth, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. We're gonna kind of like clamp it on the top. So I'm gonna show you how it's being clamped. Lian, leave it to 1 times 1, ha? Tas lapit ka na lang. So it's gonna be like that and like that on the bottom. So you see this kind of like a tub on the bottom part of your gas pedal. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's like a hole here. You can feel it in your hand. That one, this one goes on that hole. So now I think that's kind of hard to do. So that's gonna be how it should look. And on the side, we just want to make sure that it is still on clamps like that. So make sure it's still hooked into that notch thing before you torque them down. That's what my friend says. Right? Okay. So that is it, guys. I installed this CUSCO gas pedal, or also known as accelerator pedal. Easier for heel to toe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.